This new feature that Ahrefs has introduced is going to save our SEO team a ton of time. It's called Identify Intents, and it leverages AI to understand what an article is about, which is a manual step that we take during the content planning process that takes us a considerable amount of time. Combining this with ChatGPT is a game changer when it comes to putting together outlines for content that we're going to write. Let's take a look at it. Let's say I'm doing keyword research and I've identified commercial real estate investing as a keyword that I would like my website ranking for. I can click on this, and then the next step, if you're good at this, is to take a look at Google to see what are these articles about, what is Google ranking. Normally this would be a manual process of going to the search engine results, clicking on each article, and then getting the gist of what each one of them is about. Now, even before Ahrefs introduced this feature, you could click on the search engine results page feature. It would pull in data about the search results, and you could just kind of get the gist of what each one of these is about by looking at the titles. But now with this Identify Intents feature, I can click on this and it's going to actually give me a short summary about what each article is actually about. So as you can see here with this result, it's telling us, okay, searchers looking for a general overview and beginner's guide. They want to know the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this asset class. They want to know about different ways to do it, including doing it online. They want a detailed step-to-step guide on how to start doing it. Overall, it's showing you what people want when they're performing these searches, and that's why Google's put them into these top positions. Notably, you don't see any platforms to invest in commercial real estate online. There are no Investopedia definitions articles, and this will give you guidance as far as what you should be writing about if you want to rank for this keyword. Now to start, this was a lot faster than physically clicking on each one of these, reading it, and trying to get the gist about what this is about. And aside from that, I've noticed just working with SEOs, or mostly interviewing SEOs, that a lot of them don't realize that they need to take the step. They see a keyword like commercial real estate investing, and then they say, oh, I need to have a page on my website that's optimized for this, with complete disregard for what Google has recognized people want to actually read about. I'm hoping that this tool is going to kind of improve a bit the work that people in our industry are doing for the clients that they're working with. And for those of us that already know that you're supposed to be doing this, it's really going to speed things up. If we were to land on selecting one of these topics, be it like the advantages or disadvantages, the beginner's guide to different ways that you can invest in it, we'll land on one of those, and then we can generate an outline using ChatGPT, basing it on what's already ranking, see what can be added to it to improve it, checking in with the subject matter expert that may have some insights into what may be missing from the outline. This process is just so much faster than it was before OpenAI released ChatGPT last year, and now that we have this tool, it speeds it up even more.